Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can change your always on display theme. So at the first you have to go for the settings. Right now scroll down and go for the lock screen. There it is. And as you can see we have to go for the always display and we have to go for the clock style. So as you can see here we got the default themes. You can set up that one that you want, but I'm going to use this kind of the theme. You can also choose from the gallery. So let's open the gallery, take a look what we have here. Okay, I don't have here nothing, so let's apply this one. Click down and take a look right now. My always on display theme has changed. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.